guys, welcome back to our channel, Budget Rebuilds. As you guys know, if you watched our video from last week, our parts bike was way too nice, so we went ahead and just flipped it and sold that.
That one sold fast too. It sold in like 24 hours. I think I sold it too cheap.
It did.
So we're back on this again. Still waiting on another parts bike. There's a few going through next week that we hopefully have a chance at. So today my goal is, like I've been talking about, try to get the motor and transmission out. And I really have no idea what I'm doing, so I think what I'm going to do is just start hacking at it, start taking stuff loose until it falls out. I guess I want to get the mounts off first, any mounts that I can see anyway, and then roll it off. I'll lay the bike on its side and then just try to fish the frame off the motor. See how it goes.
Wish us luck.
Alright, I'm going to try to take, it looks like this whole floorboard mount unbolts. I'm going to try to take it off. See what all mounts to this. Looks like the kickstand mounts to it and that crash bar. Getting you good?
Yeah.
Alright, can you get to the one below that or no? Looks like a bunch of fire stuff in the way.
Yeah.
So looks like we have to get this side off to get to the bolt down there, but we can't tell because we got a bunch of burnt stuff. I guess that's what's left of the master cylinder. So I'm just going to start taking more stuff loose. Guess it got pretty hot in there. It doesn't want to come out. This thing won't come out of there. that's how it comes out. Cool. Well, that's easy. Whoa. I need to go ahead and take that thing off of there.
Take it off.
You know what? Yeah, I need to take it off. I'll do that in a minute. Down here there's almost no damage. The fire didn't do anything down here. All the wires are fine and everything else. I think most of that's just like stuff dripping down on it. I'm kind of curious to see how clean this will come. Once we get the motor out, if we ever get the motor out, we'll go ahead and get it cleaned up and see what it looks like and stuff. We got this big nut on that side, bolt on this side to take it out. I don't know if I want to do that just yet because I won't be able to roll it, so I think we'll leave that dude in there. I'm not seeing anything else really that's holding it in there. Let me just make sure, double check that I have all the mounts loose. Damn, this freaking bar.
That thing needs to go.
No. I think, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this nut off of this side so that way then we can hopefully just like pull it out when it doesn't have weight on it. I'm hoping. It's a big nut. Grab my cow. That thing's tough, buddy. Dude, it had a bunch of thread lock on there. That's why it wouldn't come off. If I'd have heated it up, it'd have came right loose. I think we got all the mounts loose. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off the jack, roll it off over here in the floor. Like I said, lay it down on the side. Never purposely laid a Harley on its side before. I mean, it's loose. It's just, it's not. Oh, almost got a finger. Let me clip all my wires. I still got a bunch of wires connected everywhere. I'm just trying to get everything that might still be connected to it disconnected so it doesn't bite me coming out. We're getting somewhere. I think.
That's somewhere.
I don't know if we're better off or not. I think my voltage regulator's got me hung up in the front. I'm going to try to pull it off. And then I think I can snake my frame around the starter and get it out. I think. Oh shit. It's out. Holy cow. We got the motor out. We'll see you on the next episode. It didn't go like I wanted it to, but I wouldn't find it no more. I think I got a pivot bolt up my ass. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notifications bell so you know when we post our next video on this freaking project. Thank y'all.